Today, our Tallahassee firefighters are involved in a live burn activity at the Tallahassee International Airport. My name is Alex Krause, and I'm one of the assistant superintendents of airport operations here at the Tallahassee International Airport. The live burn is required by the Federal Aviation Administration to be conducted annually at commercial service airports. The live burn activity helps firefighters be familiarized with what an aircraft crash may look like on airport property and to react to a fire on an aircraft at Tallahassee International Airport.